My name is Tom Burley. I work for S&D Solutions UK Ltd. I am the Production Design Administrator and I've been here for about 4 years now. I deal with all the inquiries which come in, I raise them into jobs, I sort out the forward load for the lads on the shop floor, I plan what's going to happen in the next few weeks on the shop floor and then make sure it goes out on time. S&D Solutions was created in the year 2000 by Neil Burley and Adrian Stannard. It is a family-run business. We're a plastics manufacturers, but the best way to describe us, because when you say plastic manufacturers, a lot of people think vac form items. We don't do that. The best way to describe us is a metal sheet fabricator, but in plastics. We do a lot of medical cabinets, we do a lot of steel guarding, a lot of aluminium guarding, a lot of plastic PETG polycarbonate guarding. We do a lot of work for the food industry, for the safety industry, and a lot of POS and retail work as well. Before Statii, we had an in-house manufacturing system which I made myself. It wasn't anything special, it was more of a recording system than it was a production management system. It kept the basics of details on certain sheets and certain codes on the computer. A lot of it was still typed, a lot of it was still written. It was very labour intensive and it was prone to a lot of mistakes. Now that Statii has come along, everything is so quick, easy. It does everything within a few clicks of a button and you can raise a job from the start of an inquiry to deliver a note in 2 minutes if you like. It's extremely quick. The influence for the change to move to Statii was we were getting so busy and we couldn't handle all the paperwork and we couldn't handle all the repetition we was doing and all the duplication. It was getting too much for us. We did start looking into it quite thoroughly, but Statii came through recommendation. As soon as we started on board, like anything, it's work to put into it the front, but it pays off threefold in the end. It really makes things so much simpler, so much easier. Before we got Statii, if we was going to raise the inquiry, raise the job card and the delivery note, it might take, including getting the stock, it might take about 25 minutes to 30 minutes to sort out. With Statii, in fact I just had one last week come through and it took a minute, if that, to get all the paperwork started from the inquiry to the delivery note because we had everything in stock. So it was an inquiry, click, job card, click, delivery note, click, done. Once you put the information to start with, it really is so easy. The traceability of a job on the shop floor has been a massive boost to us. We can follow what lad's doing what job and what procedure he's doing to the time, to the minute, what he's done, when he's done it, and if we need to look back at how that job's affecting what we estimated. Another really good thing for us is the duplication side. Not only the fact that it tells you when we've raised certain paperwork, so we know that we're not going to print it off again and we just have to find out where the job is. Also in teaching Statii as well, because we're having new people come in and we've got new people in the office, for me to walk someone through the process of Statii to get from the inquiry all the way through to the delivery note and invoice is quite easy. The reason why we chose Statii was the fact that it's not just some IT guys who have made a software and think, you know, we can sell this bit and don't really know anything about the industry. Whereas Statii knows manufacturing, they've been there, they know what's needed of a system like this, and it really does show when you're using software for yourself.